Okay, working these units out, and the old adage comes to mind, you know, if it's worth doing, it's worth doing right. And another saying that comes to mind is experience means you've gotten away with doing things the wrong way for a long time. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Okay. Got two more units here. Got a, looks like a Goodman unit. Like a 10 Seer old Goodman unit. I'm gonna pull both disconnects and get after these. That was in there tight, which is a good thing. Okay, here we go. Getting everything going today. Checking all our units on the electrical side. Better. Looking for a better summer. Alright. Okay, working these units out. And the old adage comes to mind, you know, if it's worth doing, it's worth doing right. And another saying that comes to mind is experience means you've gotten away with doing things the wrong way for a long time. And, you know, it's better to work things out and make them right. Okay, so discharge this capacitor. This capacitor looks bulged. I can see a bulge on it. The same thing, I'm going to want to research this one, and this is a Goodman unit. I can see looks like it's got a 35. I believe that is the original size on this unit, but I'm going to search it and we're going to test this. I pretty much see the bulge in it. I think it's bad. I'm very surprised if it's not bad. Very glad to have a cooler day earlier on to get after this. It's going to make life better all around for everybody. Definitely for me. Have my meter. I don't think I have a 35/5 in my bag. Microfarad test. See the bulge on this one, it's explaining. Here's Herm and Common. We got 24.5, 24.49, so that's definitely bad. And the 5, 4.67, just a little weak. So I need a 35/5. I may have to make maybe a dual cap here. And again, like I was saying, I can research this setup. Let's see. You can tell this is not even the original. It's been replaced. Definitely major bulge in the deal. Okay, I need a 35/5. Okay, I got a 5 and a 35, and I need to make a quick jumper wire. I think I have a jumper wire in the box. Okay, so I saved the jumper wire from another unit. Here's the 35. Oh yeah, I was gonna research this first though. Let's see what we got. model number CXL30-1G. Oh gosh. Cramping. It's a Goodman. Whew, it's tough to get in there. Not for you guys. Okay, let's see. Goodman model CKL30-1G capacitor size. Alright, search. I'm pretty sure it's a 35/5. Let's see. Let's go into repair clinic. That's going to show me, hopefully, capacitor size. CKL30-1G. They got the wrong part number. I have to go back to Google. F. Yeah, I've actually seen this unit though a number of times, and it's always been a 35/5 in this 10 Seer unit. It's a little frustrating, can't find the exact same model. Got a CKL31F, and they recommend a 35/5. Alright, so and I've seen this unit a number of times. I've seen the original 10 Seer units, they were always 35/5, so unless the compressor was replaced at any point, which I don't believe it has, we're going to go with this 35. Trying as much as possible to make everything right as possible. There's common. And we're going to have to make a jumper to the common for the fan. Here's the other common. Okay, there's the hard start kit. Here's the two leads to the hard start kit. One to Herm, one to common. There we go. And now we've got our deal here. I need a cable strap or something. Buddy, I saw ya. Alright, cable strap. Okay. Hard start kit's been tied on. Wiring. We'll tie this in here. Then we go jumper wire. One side, incoming wire to one side, okay, and then our deal going to the common, our jumper wire to the common side. Normally in a dual cap it's just shared, the common is shared internally. move this around a little bit to make better room. A little tricky. Yay! Could have actually brought this down a little lower, set this one a little higher. Let's see about that. No, don't like it. Can't have that touch the contactor. That's not good. Could put it sideways this way, and that would be fine. That'll work there. We had no. Yeah. That'll work. Not too happy with that. Could also mount it in a different spot. Could take this over to here. All in here. Yep, gonna get a little more creative with that and figure it out. That'll work. Just like that. I wouldn't call it beautiful or anything. That's sufficient. Okay, just add my fuse. And we're all set. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Now she shares his cup of suffering and pain. Through his love and tender mercy, he removes all the shame. The virgin awaits her bridegroom's return, though with growing desire she fervently burns. A vessel full of all her lamb burning bright, that she may run with joy to meet him, yeah. Shadow of his wings, the memory of her engraved on his hands. How deep, true, and awesome for her are his plans, yeah. Now she shares his cup of suffering and pain. Through his love and tender mercy, he removes all the shame. The virgin awaits her bridegroom's return, that she may run with joy to